Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 12 SUVs to buy and never worry about repairs again. Number 12. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is one of the most worry-free compact SUVs money can buy in 2025. Priced starting at around $23,000 and climbing to about $30,000 fully loaded, it offers a combination of affordability and durability that's hard to beat. Maintenance costs stay low, with average annual service estimates hovering around $450, according to RepairPal. That's significantly below the segment average. Owners commonly report their vehicles easily passing the 200,000-mile mark with minimal issues, especially when maintained on schedule. In Consumer Reports and J.D. Power reliability rankings, the Corolla Cross consistently scores in the top quartile for dependability, matching Toyota's legacy of producing vehicles that just keep going. Another major plus is Toyota's extensive dealer and service network across the United States, which ensures easy access to parts and repairs without inflated labor rates or specialty costs. The Corolla Cross is also backed by Toyota's standard warranty coverage, including a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering peace of mind for the first several years of ownership. Whether you're commuting daily or planning to keep your SUV for the long haul, the Corolla Cross is a smart pick if you value low repair costs, high mileage longevity, and rock-steady performance without drama. Number 11. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX continues to be one of the most reliable luxury SUVs in the United States, especially in 2025. Starting at around $48,000, it offers the kind of long-term durability that few luxury vehicles can match. Lexus, Toyota's luxury arm, is known for its bulletproof engineering, and the RX is a textbook example of that philosophy. This SUV is built to last well beyond 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. J.D. Power consistently ranks the RX among the highest in dependability, and Consumer Reports owners often keep their RX models for over a decade. RepairPal estimates the average annual repair cost at about $540, extremely reasonable for a luxury vehicle in this class. Thanks to shared parts with other Toyota and Lexus models, repair costs stay predictable and parts availability is rarely an issue. The RX also benefits from Lexus' meticulous assembly process, which prioritizes precision and long-term performance over flash. In the U.S., Lexus service centers are easy to find and highly rated for customer satisfaction. With the standard 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain coverage, buyers are protected in the early years and rarely report major issues even after warranty expiration. For buyers who want a premium SUV that doesn't bring luxury-level repair bills, the Lexus RX stands out. Number 10. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback remains one of the most dependable midsize crossovers in the U.S. market for 2025. With a starting price around $29,000 and top trims going up to about $40,000, it delivers exceptional longevity for the cost. Subaru's engineering focus on simplicity and durability means that many Outbacks routinely surpass 200,000 miles with minimal major repairs. RepairPal estimates the average annual repair bill at approximately $600, which is solid given its size and all-wheel drive standard configuration. This SUV often ranks in the top tiers of Consumer Reports reliability scores and holds strong resale value due to its reputation for lasting well over a decade in active use. Subaru also benefits from a growing network of U.S. dealerships and service centers, which keeps repair wait times and labor costs in check. Owners frequently report that major systems, engine, transmission, suspension, remain in good shape even after 150,000 miles, as long as routine maintenance is followed. Covered by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the Outback is built with endurance in mind. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle everything from harsh winters to long commutes without becoming a burden in the shop, The Subaru Outback delivers unmatched peace of mind in its class. Number 9. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is a smart choice for buyers who want a reliable SUV in 2025 without breaking the bank on repairs. With a starting price of around $28,000 and top trims approaching $39,000, the Tucson combines affordability with excellent build quality. It's backed by one of the best warranties in the U.S., 10 years or 100,000 miles for the powertrain, giving it an edge over many rivals in long-term ownership confidence. Year after year, the Tucson ranks high in J.D. Power's dependability studies and earns strong marks from Consumer Reports for predicted reliability. Its naturally aspirated and hybrid powertrains are engineered for simplicity, which helps keep long-term repair costs low. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost hovers around $460, which is well below the industry average for compact SUVs. What sets the Tucson apart is Hyundai's focus on building vehicles with fewer long-term issues. Common high-mileage problems like oil leaks, transmission slippage, or failing electronic systems are rarely reported in newer models. If you're planning to keep your SUV for the long haul and want minimal stress when it comes to repairs, the Hyundai Tucson is one of the most worry-free choices in today's market. Number 8. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX continues to prove that luxury and reliability can go hand in hand, making it one of the most dependable compact luxury SUVs available in the U.S. in 2025. With pricing that starts around $41,000 and climbs to just under $55,000 for top trims and hybrid variants, the NX offers long-term peace of mind that few rivals can match. Most NX owners report their vehicles lasting well over 200,000 miles with just routine servicing. According to RepairPal, annual maintenance costs average around $560, which is unusually low for a luxury SUV. What helps the NX shine is Lexus' build consistency and component sharing with proven Toyota platforms. Electronics, drivetrain, and mechanical systems are known to hold up over time, and repair incidents beyond normal wear and tear are rare. The NX is also covered by a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. Lexus' dealer network is extensive across the U.S., and labor costs remain competitive due to high service efficiency and fewer part failures. For buyers who want a luxurious daily driver that won't lead to expensive service bills or mechanical drama as the years go by, the Lexus NX is a safe, smart investment in worry-free ownership. Number 7. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX stands as one of the most dependable midsize luxury SUVs you can buy in the U.S. market in 2025. Starting at around $50,000 and reaching up to $65,000 for higher trims, the MDX delivers a level of reliability that often surpasses its European competitors while keeping repair costs in check. Built by Honda's luxury division, the MDX inherits the brand's long-standing reputation for engineering vehicles that last for the long run. According to RepairPal, average annual repair costs come in at roughly $580, which is very reasonable given its size, features, and luxury status. Owners frequently report long-term satisfaction with minimal issues involving major components such as the engine, transmission, or suspension. Largely due to its solid mechanical design and simplified layout compared to more complex German models, the MDX is cheaper and easier to repair. It also benefits from an extensive U.S. dealership network, meaning replacement parts and qualified service are readily available nationwide without premium labor rates. With a 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, the MDX is well covered for early ownership and still reliable far beyond that. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that won't drain your wallet in repairs over time, the Acura MDX is one of the most trusted options on the market today. Number 6. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has quickly built a reputation as one of the most reliable 3-row SUVs in the United States, and in 2025 it remains a top choice for worry-free ownership. With a starting price of about $37,000 and fully loaded trims reaching just over $50,000, the Telluride offers impressive long-term value without the high repair costs commonly found in other large SUVs. Many owners report crossing the 150,000-mile mark with no significant problems, and the vehicle is engineered to comfortably reach 200,000 miles with consistent maintenance. RepairPal lists the average annual maintenance cost at roughly $500, which is exceptional for a full-size SUV of its class. Kia backs the Telluride with an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty, offering added peace of mind well into the ownership cycle. Owners also benefit from a rapidly growing Kia service network across the U.S., where parts availability and labor costs remain reasonable. The vehicle's straightforward design, shared components with other Kia models, and simplified mechanical systems contribute to lower long-term repair expenses. If you're in the market for a spacious SUV that combines family-friendly utility with bulletproof dependability, the Kia Telluride continues to stand tall. Number 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a staple in the midsize SUV segment, and in 2025, it continues to be one of the most dependable family vehicles available in the United States. With a starting price of around $39,000 and top trims nearing $50,000, the Highlander delivers outstanding value for those looking to avoid long-term repair headaches. Many owners easily push these SUVs beyond 200,000 miles, with nothing more than routine oil changes, brake jobs, and fluid checks. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair cost comes in at approximately $520, significantly below average for a 3-row SUV. What makes the Highlander stand out is Toyota's relentless focus on reliability and mechanical simplicity. Components are designed to last, and part failures are rare even as the vehicle ages. Toyota's nationwide dealer network ensures affordable access to repairs and quick service availability no matter where you are in the U.S. Add in the standard 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage. And it's clear that the Highlander is built with long-term ownership in mind. For families or daily drivers who don't want to worry about surprise repair bills 5 or 10 years down the road, the Toyota Highlander remains a gold standard in durability and ease of maintenance. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 continues to be one of the most reliable compact SUVs in the U.S. market for 2025, combining style with durability in a package that rarely causes repair headaches. Starting at around $29,000 and topping out near $40,000 for higher trims, the CX-5 offers premium build quality and longevity at a price that makes sense for long-term ownership. Under the exterior, it features Mazda's tried and true Skyactiv engines, either a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder or a turbocharged variant, that are well known for running smoothly past 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. RepairPal estimates average yearly maintenance costs at just under $500, which is impressive for a vehicle offering this level of refinement and comfort. The CX-5 earns consistently high marks in reliability ratings from both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Unlike many competitors in its segment, the CX-5 rarely suffers from transmission issues, excessive oil consumption, or problematic electronics. Mazda also backs the CX-5 with a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, which aligns with industry standards. If you're looking for an SUV that looks and feels upscale, but performs like a long-distance champion with minimal repair concerns, the Mazda CX-5 checks all the boxes. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester remains one of the most reliable and practical compact SUVs for American buyers in 2025. With a starting price of around $28,000 and fully equipped models approaching $38,000, The Forester delivers rock-solid dependability at a price point that makes long-term ownership incredibly manageable. These vehicles are routinely seen pushing past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost sits at approximately $520, well within budget-friendly territory for this segment. Its mechanical simplicity, especially the absence of overcomplicated electronics or turbo systems in base models, contributes to its excellent track record for low repair incidents. Subaru's widespread service network in the U.S. also helps owners avoid long wait times or inflated service bills. The Forester comes with a standard 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, but many owners find they rarely need to use it beyond standard maintenance. For those who want a reliable, all-weather-ready SUV that won't bring headaches 5 or even 10 years down the line, the Subaru Forester continues to be one of the safest bets you can make. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has earned its place as one of America's most reliable compact SUVs, and in 2025 it continues that legacy without missing a step. Starting at around $31,000 and climbing to just under $42,000 for hybrid and top-end trims, the CR-V delivers a level of long-term value and durability that few vehicles in its class can match. Owners frequently report surpassing 200,000 miles with routine upkeep and minimal issues. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost comes in at about $410, one of the lowest figures among compact SUVs sold in the U.S. Honda's reputation for engineering simplicity and durability shines through in the CR-V's drivetrain and core mechanical systems. Common issues like transmission problems or premature engine wear are extremely rare. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power regularly rank the CR-V at the top for reliability, and it holds one of the strongest resale values in its category. It also benefits from Honda's extensive dealer and service network across the United States, which makes finding affordable parts and trustworthy service easy. The CR-V comes standard with a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, although many owners go well beyond those numbers without needing major repairs. If you want an SUV that delivers long-term dependability, low running costs, and proven reliability year after year, the Honda CR-V is one of the safest and smartest choices you can make. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 stands at the top of the list for reliability in 2025, offering one of the most maintenance-free ownership experiences of any SUV in the U.S. market. With a starting price of about $31,000 and top trims reaching around $43,000, the RAV4 delivers unmatched longevity backed by Toyota's legendary build quality. It's not uncommon for owners to push past 250,000 miles without encountering major repair issues. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is approximately $450, putting it far below most rivals in the same class. The RAV4 consistently ranks among the highest in reliability ratings from both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Thanks to Toyota's use of time-tested components and straightforward engineering, the vehicle avoids common long-term failures like transmission issues, turbocharger malfunctions, or electrical system breakdowns. The SUV is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. However, real-world usage shows that most RAV4s outlast their warranties by many years with minimal upkeep beyond basic services. If your goal is to buy an SUV once and drive it for the next 10 to 15 years without worrying about costly repairs, the Toyota RAV4 remains the gold standard. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.